Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a taco sour cream rice bake. All right, what I have here in the pan is 1 pound of ground beef that we're going to brown up. Unfortunately, I kind of shot this like an asshole and forgot the other part, what else we're going to do with the beef. Basically, once the beef is browned, drain off excess fat, and then you want to add one taco seasoning pack, a 10-ounce can of Rotel tomatoes, or a 10-ounce can of tomatoes with green chilies, and a 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. And then you just want to let that simmer till most of the liquid has evaporated, and your beef should be good to go. All right, and also while this beef is cooking, make sure you cook 3 cups of white rice. Okay, now let's make the rice. We have 3 cups of cooked rice here. We're going to add a cup of sour cream. And then we want to add a cup of cottage cheese. And then you want to grab a spoon and mix this all around until everything is mixed together. Okay, and now you want to spread the rice mix on the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish. And then you want to add the meat mix that we made on top of that. And you should be preheating your oven to 350 degrees. So let's make a nice little layer of the beef mix. And then top this with 2 cups of cheese. And then you'll want to pop this into the oven, that 350 degree oven, for 20 to 25 minutes. And through the magic of cooking show editing, the 20 to 25 minutes has passed, and you should be looking at something a little bit like this. So let's grab a piece. And there you go. That's our little serving of it. And I gotta say, this dish was okay. Certainly, it wasn't a home run. I'd say it was maybe a double. I am going to redo this dish, and I think I'm going to completely change how I made the rice. But anyway, if you're just a beginner, this is a good dish to get your feet wet. So that's taco sour cream bake. Done.